Hello students, today's lesson what we're going to do is we're going to try and make sense of two important words. First one is vertical and the other word is horizontal. And we're going to use these two words to describe both lines and faces. So let's give this a quick try and see if we can make sense of it. First one is, what does horizontal mean? Well, horizontal describes a line or an edge of an object that goes across. So here's the big thing is, horizontal things go across. So what does across mean? It means to the left and to the right. So that would be across. Second keyword here is vertical. So it describes a line or the edge of an object that goes, now here's the thing, up and down. So vertical is up and down, horizontal ends up being across. So if we can keep those two important words straight, I think we'll be all right with it. So here's some sort of bookshelf or some sort of clothing shelf and drawers. So the question ends up being here is, what are the different edges? So you can see here's an edge here in green, right here. And the question is that vertical or horizontal? And in this case, because it goes up and down, we are going to call that a vertical edge. This edge here, where two sides meet, is also up and down, so it's going to be a vertical edge. This green one here is up and down, so it's a vertical edge. This one here, it's also green, is up and down, so it's a vertical edge. Now the next one here, I'm going to use black for this. These yellow lines here, you can see as I draw them, they're going across. So the moment I see that they're across, we know that these are horizontal. So the red in my picture I've drawn so that they represent vertical. The black lines represent horizontal. Now, a couple interesting things, we're now going to talk about faces here. So in this case, this face on top, okay, so this is a face. So this is like a rectangle on the top, and it's sitting horizontal. And the way I think of that is if you can put a cup on top and it doesn't fall down, it is considered a horizontal face. Now, if I go to this side, again, another rectangle, but if I took my coffee mug here and tried to set it on that spot, the coffee mug would drop and hit the ground. Then this reminds me that this is a vertical face. So faces is like the front or side of an object, and in this case, if it's vertical, it isn't able to hold my coffee mug. If it's horizontal, it is able to. So I hope this gives you some background and gets you going on some questions related to vertical and horizontal.